organizer, and that is a star bowl organizer. Welcome to Sparklebox, and this is Yummy. If you are visiting our channel for the first time, please go through it and I'm sure you'll be loving our content. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get instant notifications on our new videos. Without further delay, let's get started with our today's DIY. We just need 3 materials, and they are origami sheets, scissors and fevicol. Give it a try yourself and share your work with us in Instagram by tagging us. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family. Share your thoughts about this video in the comment section below. I'll be back with another interesting DIY. Until then, see you all.